All right, here we go. So we're staging token streams. Here we go. And this is from our partners at the Build Guild by way of scaffold. So I'm gonna connect my, yep.
And you'll notice this one has a lot more ways to connect to with different wallets.
I did not notice that. What are you talking about?
When you just click connect,
Oh, like there was a wallet connect and stuff. Yeah, my eyes just
yeah,
glaze over that now, but that is a good addition.
you
Thank
go
you for
straight
pointing
to
it
them.
out.
Yeah, there's Ethereum, Portis, there's a bunch of them.
Awesome. Cool. So we're on Rinkeby. I'm balling on Rinkeby. Cool. Right, because it's scaffold. Okay, so I want to create a new stream, and it's going to. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, all right. And oh, do I have Rinkeby GTC?
I don't think you have to worry about. There's no GTC on Rinkeby, so there was a token I deployed for that, and you can mint one. One
You
second.
don't need the GTC to create. You need to make a deposit after you create the stream, and then
Oh,
you
okay.
deposit and you load them all up.
All right.
So
So it's going to be 1,000 GTC every 9 weeks, and we'll start. Okay, if I start full, I need it, but if I start empty, I don't, right? So I start
either way,
empty.
you need to, yeah, either way, you got to make a deposit for it to start filling up.
Oh, I could have started full and
Correct.
created it
Yeah,
and then done the deposit.
filled it
Okay.
up. Yep.
So, okay. All right. Interesting. Interesting.
Because now
Little,
now that user has to wait 9 weeks to get that 1,000 GTC.
right, instead of starting full. Okay, that
Yep.
makes sense. So just
Yep.
a little bit more affordance on the UX. Um, but this is looking interesting. So I've got dollars.
Yeah,
Um,
it's USD and ETH conversion, so you can see
and
what
if
it's
I
worth
click
or
on them, it goes to the
the tokens. Yep.
token. Okay. So probably you want to start on token instead of dollar. I'm trying to de-emphasize conversions to dollars because that's old school and we're digital native. We're like Web3 native, but
Okay.
yeah, okay,
Well,
cool.
that's
Makes
good to
sense.
know though, because a
And
lot of
this
those
is,
components do that. So we'll have to
yeah.
think about
And that
that.
that's how that's how it starts for all these blockchain things. But now that we're powerful enough to stand on our own feet, we don't need
Oh,
to
I'm with you
like
on that.
try to fool anyone that we're worth something in dollars. We're worth more than dollars. Dollars are
Exactly.
obsolete.
That's how I look at it.
So, um, okay, so I'm not you, so I couldn't use withdraw, right? Because yeah, it won't let
Right.
me. But I could try, and then what would it say? It'd say I can't do it. That's correct. Good. Work log deposit. So I could try to deposit, but I don't have any, so it's going to say not enough. Okay, cool.
Yep.
All right, so maybe I wanna make one for myself. Bliss, can you send some of your fake Rinkeby GTs? Can you mint me some?
Do we have
Yeah,
any of that
that's
token?
something I'm kind of trying to verify the contract on Rinkeby right now so that you can go in
Okay.
there because I think I added a method to the token contract itself where you can mint like 1,000 for yourself.
Okay,
Yep.
cool.
I remember
All right.
that.
So I'm gonna make one that's also for me as the recipient. We'll just see what happens. And I'm gonna start it full, and it's gonna be 1 week just for extra testing.
And
This
this
is
is very
cool.
similar to the ETH streams that what Build Guild does, but the big difference is that Bliss and we actually made a factory contract. So each stream is created from the factory instead of having to redeploy a new stream for everybody each time too to update anything. We also
Awesome.
added a way for you to update it without redeploying a contract.
Awesome. So this shows it as being full, which is halfway right because I should have access to it, but it's not actually there. Yeah.
Scroll up and you'll see what right there is 0. And you have
Yeah.
no pay available to withdraw.
So, so I understand that because you're explaining it to me right now, but these probably want to be labeled and maybe they want to be like right next to each other.
Yeah, label would do it nicely, honestly.
Yeah, no, this is awesome
Because I
though.
just
Fun.
know, because I know.
Yeah, because you,
Yeah,
of course.
yeah.
Yeah, this is awesome. And so, it could be right now it's GTC because we care about GTC, but in theory, you could make it for any ERC20, right?
Correct.
And
Yep,
it's
we
just a
set the
straight
factory
swap
up like
out.
that. Yep.
How do you feel about the idea of having like a stream that's like multiple ERCs at the same time? So like GR,
It's yeah, I'm wondering how could we do that with one contract? I think so.
Yeah, we can, but we have to, there's going to be a lot of adjustments to the contract
Yeah.
itself, but we can do that.
yeah, I don't know if we care about that. That's not like a hard feature request from me. I'm just thinking out loud.
If anything, we could implement like the token selector that he built for Tip Party, something to that effect.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. And then I'm just like, I just want to think out loud for 30 seconds about the idea of having a stream that's multiple tokens. So it could be ETH and GTC and Candy or something. And if I wanted to withdraw all my
It would
Candy one day
it would still be 3 separate streams technically. So
with a
you would still have
unified,
3 separate streams. You'd have 3 different boxes here,
right? Okay.
or 3 different you know what I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
for representing each one.
That'd still be kind of cool. I don't know that that's a priority. What do you guys see as the priority for this going forward?
Honestly, with some of the things that you said with the labeling and just showing the users that you know exactly like this is how much you can withdraw when your balance has had a deposit and stuff like that.
Cool, cool.
Yeah, and also, Ryan, if you go to the debug view
Yeah,
and scroll to the bottom of the page a little bit, there's the can you scroll up a
I'm all
little?
the way at the bottom.
Oh, yeah, scroll up a little bit, please. Okay, I think I haven't updated this
No
deployment.
worries.
That's why.
Uh,
But in the updated
update cap.
deployment, yeah, you can
Yeah.
update the cab on the stream like you asked for the last time.
So you can give
Cool.
people raises essentially.
Nice, nice. And what
Yeah.
was the word? Update the what?
Cap.
Cap.
Yep. Your stream cap, because right now it has a cap of 100
Right. I want to be able to
that you
update the
just made.
cap and I want to be able to update the rate as well.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. Because like if I give someone a raise, but it's still going to take them the same amount of time to receive it, then it's, yeah.
I don't know. If you
This is
stick with
awesome.
2-week, 4-week frequencies, I think you'd be okay. But yeah,
Oh,
we
I'm
can
changing
definitely.
the cap per period.
Correct.
Ah, okay,
Exactly.
okay.
Yeah, so it'd
Okay,
be kind of
cool.
redundant to change the frequency as well.
Yeah, my mistake. Okay, so I can
That's all
change the
good.
cap, and I'll see that, I guess, dog fooding next week, which will be at noon instead of 2. This is awesome. I can't wait to see it advance, and then we can start getting some use out of it. I'm hype.
Yeah, me too.
Nice. Good work, guys. Really good work. Cool.
Thanks,
Anything
Bliss.
else
Yeah,
you
that
want
was
to
that was mostly Jason, honestly,
you guys
understanding
are
the
too
whole stream
humble.
factor.
Yeah, you too humble. It's all good.